For the first part of our measurement, we decided to walk 325.5 inches away from the flagpole. Using our clinometer, we measured 136 degrees angle of depression. Now subtracting 90 degrees from that, we got 46 degrees to find the angle of elevation. Now, keeping in mind that we had 65 inches above the ground for the eye level, we decided to use tangent to find the equation for this. We started by using tangent of 46, the given angle that we found, equals opposite over adjacent sides, which would be x over 325.5 inches. Now, to solve this equation, we got all the way down to 337.1 inches, and then adding the 65 inches of eye level, we got 402.1 inches for the length of the flagpole. To make our answer even more exact, we decided to use different distances just to clarify it and find the average of it. So now we have 240 inches away from the flagpole and still have the same eye level, still the same person measuring. Now you can see that we have a different level of elevation. Reading it on our clinometer, it said that we had 145 on there, then subtracting 90 would make it 55. Now, still using the same tangent method, you do opposite over adjacent, x over 240. Solving it through, you would get 342.8 inches. Adding the 65 of eye level would make it 407.8 inches. Now, averaging the 407.8 with the previous answer of 402.1 would make it our exact answer. For our other object to measure the height for, we decided to use the light pole that's right next to the flagpole. Now, this time you can see that there's a different eye level length. That's because the Emily is now going to be measuring it, and she is a little bit shorter than I am. So her eye level now is 62 rather than 65. Now, once again, we decided to go 325.5 inches away from this light pole just to make it consistent with the other. Now, using tangent, we would have to go opposite over adjacent, x over 325.5 inches. Going through, you would solve it to 416.6 inches, adding Emily's eye level of 62 inches, making it 478.6 inches. For the last part of this project, we wanted to make our answer for the light post even more accurate, so we are doing a different distance, but still doing the trig function. So we're doing 240 inches away, similar to what we did with the flag post, and we're going to do opposite over adjacent, x over 240. Going through, we would get 415.7 inches, and adding the eye level of 62 inches will make it 477.7 inches. Now, we want to find the average of the two answers that we got, which were pretty similar anyways. We got 478.6 the first time. The average would be 478.15 inches, or 39.86 feet. There are many ways that heights can be inaccurate. One way would be not measuring correctly, using a tape measure very poorly. Not reading your clinometer correctly or not handling it correctly could also be another reason why your heights may be inaccurate.